So when you want to access the global platform, just type in the URL. You're going to have access to some information which is public right there. For example, the newsfeed right here. So go into the upper right corner, click on sign in, just type in your username. This is an example only for test purposes. You might want to click on remember me. Now log in. And there you go. You are now authenticated into global platform. Now, depending on your membership and permissions associated to your account, you're going to have access to some modules that you see here on the left. This is the newsfeed right here. You can think of it as a social media platform like Facebook or any other where you can post your updates. You can mention any member of Global and post your own pictures, documents, animated GIFs, and so on. On the right, you have your Cooperathon 2020 journey. We'll talk about it later, and you can see any active members on the right too. Now let's access your member profile.